Hi, my name is Dave. I'm retired now. I'm also a little bigger and a little older. But, I wanted to share this with you. For a long time now I've had a fascination with this whole internet thing, and how anyone can make huge amounts of money on it. So about 2 years ago, after I finally retired, I decided it's time to try my hand at this internet marketing. Well, that's exactly what I did. I jumped all in, after telling my wife what I planned to do, of course. For the moment she was okay with it. She thought it was good for me, and that it would give me something to do. So, off I went, to get my internet marketing riches. First, it was books, then came to the software, and man, there many. Next, came to the overpriced seminars, next extremely high-priced masterminds. Bottom line, my path to internet marketing riches began to cost me thousands and thousands of dollars. I think I should tell you about my wife again here. Well, needless to say, she was becoming a bit, to say it nicely, concerned. After all, I was retired now, and basically on a fixed budget. However, I couldn't give up now. I had too much invested, and I knew there had to be a way, and I was determined to find it. So, I smoothed things out somewhat with my wife and forged ahead, in search of my, you guessed it, internet fortune. Well, I'm sad to say, but it was just more of the same, months and months and thousands of dollars more spent. To cut this review short, let me say this: just short of losing my wife and home, I was introduced to Anthony Morrison. I don't know how, but some kind of way through Facebook I got connected to his Success Connection, and from there to the Partner with Anthony program. Now, I know that I was supposed to be done with the whole internet marketing thing. However, after seeing him teach on the Success Connection, I could feel the sincerity in him, and the things he was teaching on the Success Connection were 100 times better, and fulfilling, and working than any of the things I had spent all that time and thousands of dollars on. Then, if you can believe it, this guy tells us 2019 is finally going to be our year to be successful with internet marketing, and you know what? I believed him. I just did, and I'm so glad that I did, because in this short period of time, I have already begun to achieve success. I mean, I'm actually earning money from my internet marketing, so much so I even got up the nerve to tell my wife, and before she could say anything, I showed her my account, and told her that I earned all this from my internet marketing. And that's the way I'm going to end this review. I'm happy, my wife is happy, life is good now. If you want to know more about PWA, the Partner with Anthony program, and see what changed my life, click the link below. P.S. I know you're not going to believe this, but this life-changing program will only cost you an incredibly small amount of money a month, or one less coffee a month, your choice, but I did my part. Here's to your success.